Yes guys, it's Jando. I'm going to be showing you how to make a voltage style bass in Serum. So yeah, let's have a listen to the patch. So yeah, that's the bass. We're gonna got this fresh Serum patch here. I'll let you have a look at the keys quick. So it's E1, F1, D1 for the main melody of this. And yeah, we're gonna jump straight into the patch. We're gonna do harmonic series, which is at the bottom of digital. I'll drop this 4 octaves and push the wavetable position up 8. We're gonna put FM from B on 18%. Take down the random as well. Turn on oscillator B, random down, level down on both. We're going to change this to a basic shape, so we just want a sine wave. Analog BD sin is fine. We're going to make our little shape quick, just like a little ramp down like this. Set this to 1-2 envelope. Turn the sub on, bring the level all the way down and drop it 1 octave, and then assign LFO1 to that at 100% and LFO1 to the sub level at 75%. Then we're going to turn the filter on, go to combs, turn on AB, noise, and then the keys. Set this to legato as well, and then we're going to bring the cutoff down to about 90. Like 80. Hyperdimension, bring the rate down and bring the dry wet to about 15%. It's fine. Turn the distortion on, do stomp box, set the distortion percentage, the drive percentage to about 45. Turn the compressor on, multiband go on, and put the gain up to 14. Get the EQ. We're going to do some EQ some of the highs here. Push the gain up. Bring the Q out, the frequency. Just make this little ramp for the high end. Then go to the filter flanges down to 48 plus, and we're going to set this to about 1800. If I can find it. That's fine. And yeah, that's the patch. And then we'll have a look at the post-processing quickly, which is this. I'll just copy this over to the new patch. We've got two distortion units. We've got Camel Crusher on the preset British Clean. We've got Decapitator, Drive 4A, and then the output. I mean, that's your level to judge. We've got a saturator on here with just a soft sine, little bit of reverb just for like the stereo width and a bit of tail, and then we EQ again some of the highs up here. And then with this patch as well, I've just got a little underlayer, which is this one, which is just the same patch duplicated. I've taken off a bit more of the kind of low mids and then just ramped up the mix on the reverb, and then I added this other little towel reverb, but I haven't used it. But for that towel reverb, sometimes I will automate the I have automated the wet here, just so that when it comes to the next, finishes one section, when it comes to the next one, it kind of ramps up the reverb tail for like a little riser. Just a nice little filler effect. So yeah, your bass should be sounding like this. What we'll do is we'll put a little bit of attack on this. Let's say like 65. There we go. And then we'll put a bit of release on it. We don't need a lot, maybe like 40 odd. 44, that's fine. And then we can just tweak this however we want to tweak it. 1-2 T's quite nice. And that's how you make a voltage style bass. I'll be uploading another video very soon, sometime this week. But yeah, let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want, and if you want to grab this patch and some of the other stuff in this project, maybe like the drums or something I might add, I'll leave a link in the description, put it on my Dubify. Nice one.